South African gospel artist Tumi Mkokstad calls on all Christians and all stakeholders to join in prayer to pray for Zanele Mbokazi. You'd know, guys, that in the month of May, her husband actually released the news that she has been diagnosed with lung cancer, and she has since undergone surgery. So I saw that Utumi Mkokstad actually took out a poster, which is the one that you should be seeing on the screen, on the 7th of June, for just people to just gather and offer prayers for Uzanele. You guys, Uzanele is a radio and TV presenter. She's currently or famously known for being a presenter on Ukhozi FM, but she's well known within the gospel industry. But I believe this is, a call for everyone, even though you won't be able, or I know for myself, I won't be able to join them on the 7th of June at a physical gathering. But guys, please, when you do listen to this, or when you do think of her, please do offer a prayer up for her so that, the Lord may do his word in her life. But we really do wish her well wishes, you guys. Like, we know Uzanele as a person who's always smiling, laughing, enthusiastic, has so much energy. So we really hope that even that surgery went well, and we really wish her speedy recovery and long life. But anyway, guys, please do utter out a prayer for her. Leave a comment in the comment section down below. Please don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.